Alright, today we're doing slope and y-intercept, also graphing lines. This warm-up is hopefully a refresher, and I know it's not going to be a refresher for everyone, so we will continue to work on this in class today. First, if we're finding the slope, with slope we're talking about rise over run. Rise is going to be how much we go up or down to get from one point to the next, and run will be how many we go left or right. And you can think of it like a balloon rises up, and you run straight across the field. So rise over run, you go up and down first, then left or right. So from one point to the next, you go straight up and straight over. It's like giving directions. To get from one point to the next, you have to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my rise is up 6. My run, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going backwards. In the negative direction, that's negative 4. 6 over negative 4 simplifies to negative 3 halves. So that means I should also be able to go down 3 and forwards 2. 1, 2, 3 over 2. 1, 2, 3 over 2. And that will still get us to the next point. Okay, so my slope is negative 3 halves. Yes, Artashis.
I have a question.
Yep.
Why didn't you just go from one point and why didn't you go from one point to another instead of finding 3, negative 3 immediately? Is it because your points were already there?
Yes. Alright. If I don't already have points on the line, like this one did have points on the line, I need to find nice points. This point is on my line, and I know that point is exactly at 3, negative 3. It has integer coordinates. I would not pick this point. That's a bad point right here, because that point is at 4, negative 2.6 or something. I don't know exactly where that point is. I would not pick this point, because that's at 2, negative 3.3 or something. Like, they're not integer values, but this one I know is exactly at 0, negative 4, and that's on my line. So when you're picking points, you have to make sure that they have exact integer values, and now we can travel straight along the lines. So straight up and straight over. So giving the directions, we have to go up 1, or we rise 1, and then we go over 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. So I have to go up 1 street and over 3 streets to get to my next point. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. This is our y-axis. The line crosses right here at what number? Negative 4. So again, we have to find our nice ordered pairs right here. This point is exactly at 0, 4. Your y-intercept will usually be a nice point to pick for the slope. And what's this point? 1, 0. So these are both nice points. I could have also picked this point. 2, negative 4. They'll all work. How many do we go up or rise?
4.
Up 4. And how many do we go over? Negative 1, because we're going backwards. What's 4 divided by negative 1? Negative 4. So this also means 4 over negative 1, or negative 4, that we should be able to go down 4 and over 1. So from one point to the next, we should be able to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Or up here, we're still going down 4 and over 1. So my slope is negative 4. What's my y-intercept? 4. Alright. Questions on slope and y-intercept? Nope.